And once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big and on.
What's up, everybody? It is a beautiful day, and we are 1 week away from leaving for Bradenton, which means it's time to finish putting that Super Stocker back together. I got the wheels and new front tires. We're getting ready to put those on, changing the oil, getting it all together. Then we got to swap around all these rides, which is a nightmare in and of itself, but we will get it done. And we'll be on the way to Bradenton before we know it. So let's get into it. We're ready. We're getting ready to change these tires over and get everything together, get it down off these jack stands. I'm going to see if I can't adjust the brakes a little bit. I think we got a little air pocket in there, so I'm going to do that as well. And all things considered, man, we are making progress to Bradenton. So let's see if we can't swap these tires out. So I should note that I'm a big red line 20 weight guy. I think a lot of people are using that. I've tried most of them, Lucas, Royal Purple, Castrol, but this is what Kenny's set on, so we kind of stuck with that. So shout out to Mike Boehner. I know he's got that red line deal. If you want to send me a case, dog. Yeah, man, 6 quarts of this stuff. I did have to change the oil first before I could do the tires, and I got to bleed the brakes too. So I really messed up the time lapse video, but we're gonna get back to it. So let's see how this goes.
Belts tight, gloves on, shield down, so the love's gone. I bump it in, I'm getting to the rhythm. No friends out here, we turn the stage lights out.
What's up, everybody? We're back again. It is Saturday now, and we figured out the issue. Turns out the brakes didn't need bled, but the front shoes were like all the way down. So got some new shoes, got the tools from Kenny. We're gonna try these out, fix those. I've never done it before, so might as well try, right? That's kind of my theory. Yeah, let's see what we can do and get this thing. We got to get these cars switched around tomorrow when it's going to be nice, because just a few short days away headed to Bradenton. But it's also Royal Rumble Saturday, so let me know in the comments if you're watching Royal Rumble. I want to know who you think is going to win, and obviously when this video comes out, we'll know who wins, but let me know in the comments who you thought was going to win.
I'm at the finish line, and then we missed y'all. You hit the top, shout out Huddle, flick the wrist off. I let it go when it's lift off. Talking about me, y'all when it ain't make the list. It's got them all pissed off. Call me Kevin Helms, I was brought in to win. Word to West, Buck who's making drag racing great again. I like my racing in straight lines, stay in my lanes. Quit my day job and chase the world like I'm Pelican. Or I'm switching gears like I'm chick with a stick. Or stand a man, them margaritas got you feeling it. I'm talking woosah, by you boys do it big. Crawfish and Wally, shout out to Craig Bourgeois. You wanna make it in a song and do the Justin Lamb. Win a bunch of races and you do it with the fam. You do the Kevin Brandon, lay the smack across the land. Then you do the L ride and you come out like the world champ. You've been waiting all winter long.
Here's the brake shoes. Don't know if y'all ever done this before. I never have, so this ought to be a hilarious ride. I was wondering why I didn't have any pedal. I would venture to guess that this is probably why I wasn't getting a lot of pedal. Might need to replace these. These are the driver's side. Passenger side's not nearly as bad, but pretty close. So, all right, we're down to the last one. Let's hope this one goes back together. Damn, finally done. Both sides. Whew, what a nightmare, though, man. It's just uncomfortable. But we're getting ready to put the wheels back on, and we're ready. We feel good. Let's do it. So, fun fact, I'm not like super big on heights, but I got this trailer here that we've had, and the screws didn't seem to work. So I've tried to rivet. The first one works. So we're gonna rivet this whole thing, just this front burst panel. Or I guess it's not really burst panel, but the front cover panel. Can get that fixed, and then honestly, man, I've just been trying to update it. We added electricity last year and some stuff, so I'm happy with all the work that we've done on it, and I hope to keep it going. So I'm gonna fix this first, then we are gonna bleed the brakes, and we're gonna get those wheels on. So let's see how it goes.
Hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big and on. This thing on your mind when you wake, and you've been waiting on this thing all day. This is where champions are made. Let them all talk, baby, hate is gone. Everyone trying to doubt you, huh? Better get off them. All this black and yellow like I'm born to be a Coughlin. They think they got you, then stop them. And if you ain't smoke them, did you really even drive?
Well, before we can finish any race cars, we got to go to the Stones River Car Club swap meet here in Nashville. It's like the one race car thing, swap meet in town. It's like if Facebook Marketplace had a swap meet. It actually is pretty cool. It's been going on like 37 years. I've been going for the last 9 since I've been in Nashville. So I'm excited to go see if they got anything we need. Let's go check it out. Well, the swap meet was kind of crazy, so I didn't have a chance to take video inside. But if you've ever in Nashville, there's the first Sunday in February every year, Stones River Car Club swap meet. And I picked up this Chevelle and factory assembly instruction manual, which is kind of cool, and a water pump, spare water pump, so I have it in the trailer. So kind of little stuff. So we're gonna finish these, finish the other side, the driver's side front drum today, and then get these cars swapped around. Let's get after it.
You think you locked him up, you know nasty Nick. Drop the nose, take the strike, now that's the trick. We all have the same thing in common, let me tell him. Object of the game, reel them in and drop them on they melon. You are talking at the track, keyboard race is absurd. We talking street outlaws, then bird is the word. If we talking alcohol, then we talking Yanni Lindbergh. Talking hotties that can drive music, Ashley Stanford. The real queen of this.
Looking a little different this trip. Tyler always wrangles me into some shit. So here we go. Just 8 hours from now, we'll be on the road. Here's to hoping. Getting ready to leave for Bradenton in just 24 hours. It feels like less than 24 hours now, I guess it's. So pack our bags. And how do you guys pack for a race? Obviously, a lot of my friends are just black shirt. I see that a lot. But I'm going to show you how I pack, because I'm pretty particular about just like being comfortable at the racetrack. And I learned a long time ago that I can't do t-shirts at the track anymore. So let's check this out.
I call him Shaker, you call him Joey Santangelo. Wanna lock it in, 5K and we can go. We don't hear him now, but things was all good.
All right, we're doing it. It's Bradenton Drive Day. How are we feeling, Casey?
Feeling packed and loaded.
It's 6 o'clock, so we're right on cue, and it's an 11-hour drive. So let's see how it goes.
You've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on.
We're making progress, and we're at Casey's favorite spot. Casey, where are we at?
Rockies.
What are we gonna get? We're gonna get some food or what?
Yeah.
It's we're like almost 4.5 hours in, I guess. We're just north of Atlanta, so we're trucking along. On to the next.
So you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big and on. This thing on your mind when you wake, and you've been waiting on this thing all day. This is where champions are made. Let them all talk, baby, haters gonna hate. Trophies and Happy Gilmore checks, loose rock are paying it. Judging by the winners, they tell.
All right, we've driven far enough south where we've lost sweatshirts. How we feeling?
Feeling pretty good.
We're 2/3 of the way there. It's on to the last one, and hope we make it in one piece.
Who's up next? I just happen to be one of them. Just in case you want to check my ranks.
We made it. Bradenton day 1. Qualifying starts today. Casey, how excited are you?
So excited.
Are you excited for qualifying or dinner?
Dinner.
We'll see how it goes today. Let's do it. All right, we're getting donuts. What do you think you're gonna get?
Careful.
Let's find out if 5-0's any good. Like her yelling, be somebody. Do your Edmund or go be Scotty. Ryan Shield, that is. It's Cuddy to the front. Jeff Taylor performance for everybody. Helmet all done up.
It only took us an hour. We're almost ready. How are we feeling?
Good.
You have the golf cart ready? It is a beautiful day in Bradenton, Florida. So let's see if we can make a qualifier.
Side in the classic car. Now the difference here is that both of these cars are running engines that they were designed to be.
All right, let's get after it. First time run. Here we go. I was terrible up front. I was 38. That's not good. I'm gonna have to be super aggressive. I think the tree is probably a little loose for me, and I went 1178, so I'm super happy with that. I said it would go 75 to 78, so I feel pretty good about that there, man. First time run done. Second time run. Let's see if we can improve a little bit. All right, this is our last qualifier. Let's see how it goes. It is Friday. We are getting ready for first round. We just made our last qualifier. Went 11:65. It was good up front, so I feel comfortable right now. At least as comfortable as you can be. Casey, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
You excited? We'll see how it goes. We got chip draw. We'll see how we get. See who we get.
Mary Stevenson's next.
Aaron wants it all.
John Tyler Tom.
I'm sure Jeff got it already. I'm sure you got mine.
Tom Smith, then PJ.
What number did we get? 3 for Dale, by God.
God, Dale and Aaron Bell, baby.
All right, we got 17. We're
We're about to find out who we got.
about to find out. They're pulling the pairs now. All right, it's first round. He's dialed like 8 flat. Here goes nothing. Little luck. My guy's down 8:01. I'm down 11:72. I went 11:71 wide open. He turned it red. I was 27 up front. So pretty good run all in all. I felt like I had to lay off just to keep it green. I just wanted to be safe. I ran him in a time run. So first round, get those nerves out, and now we go to second. So we'll see what happens. All right, it's second round. Let's see what we can do here. unfortunate end here. Didn't make it through round 2. I was 30. He was 37. You see here the video, or as you may have just seen. But yeah, man, we had a blast. It was a really cool race. Obviously, unfortunate that we had a race after the pros at 8:30 at night. Obviously changes a little bit of the game plan, but that's on me. Got to do a better job. I was 30 and kind of stayed behind after he came around me. So, you know, we'll on to the next one. Our next race is Belle Rose for the Super Stock. And so thank y'all for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Check out the podcast, BOO, Take 00 show with myself and Tyler. Man, we're excited. A big year to come, 2025. Hope y'all dig it, man. On to the next one.
Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big